Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing code for your Firestick or Android TV, which you can use to get hundreds or even thousands of applications totally for free. The ones which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And the whole process is actually super easy, so let me show you how to set it up. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device. Here it is, open it. And here in the search bar, you gotta start typing downloader. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter whole name of downloader because it already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's select that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here you will have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. And there it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Netherlands right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. Now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we got to open the Downloader application. There it is, open it. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, not on Browser, you have to click on Home. And then here in that bar, we gotta enter a link, which is going to be applink.store. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's applink. .store. So here you go, you can see the whole link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make any mistake, the link is not going to work for you. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you could get even more content about Fire Sticks. And of course, hit the like button if you find this video helpful. It really helps me a lot and I'll make sure to create even more videos for you. After you hit like button, you gotta hit the download app link button as well. So we click on it and now the download should start for us. Usually it doesn't take long. Then click on install and wait until AppLink gets installed to your Fire Stick. Don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't really need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary installation files and save you some free space on your Firestick. After that, we need to go to settings once again, to My Fire TV, again to developer options, install unknown apps. This time locate AppLink here and turn that option on for AppLink as well. This is a must because we'll be using AppLink to download other applications from the internet. Now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Then scroll down and here at the bottom you'll find AppLink. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way AppLink is always going to be at the very top of your application list and therefore is going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video to get 3 months totally for free. Then we safely open AppLink, wait until it loads for us. Here scroll down and you'll find app categories, such categories as utilities, live streaming, movies and TV shows, sports, verified apps, and games. So let's start with movies and TV shows. Here I will have to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside, but trust me, you are going to like them. So inside you'll find tons of movie applications. They are updated and should work fine on any Firestick or Android TV device. These apps have great content inside, including the newest movies, as well as TV shows of course. So if you are into movies, this category is going to be great for you. Now let's take a look at the other categories as well. We go back and let's go to live streaming. So here inside you'll find everything live TV or IPTV related, such as IPTV players, media players, apps to watch live TV and stuff like that. So if you are looking for live TV channels, that's the category for you. Now we go back again and take a look at utilities. So there are gonna be all kinds of utility apps such as alternative app stores, media players, web browsers, antiviruses, internet speed testers, or remote access applications. So quite a bunch of pretty useful applications for your Firestick. Then of course let's take a look at the sports. Obviously there's going to be everything sports related, so live TV applications, IPTV applications, live TV apps, and pretty much that's it. So if you are into sports, that's the category for you. And there's even a games category. So your Firestick is definitely not the best gaming device, but it's still possible to connect a remote controller to your Firestick via Bluetooth and use it to play simple games, maybe Roblox or Minecraft. So if you are into simple games, that's an option for you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and I'll create even more videos for you. See you next time, bye bye.